welcome to our 30 days workout, home workouts challenge. I'm going to show you some things to help us start, right? First of all, you need to understand that this is not a 30 days workout coaching. It is a 30 days workout challenge, which is to assume that most of you have already been working out or have known how to do these workouts that we're going to do, which is push-ups, the squats, the planks, and the leg raises, right? However, I know that there are still some of you who do not know these things, and for that reason, I'm going to show you how to perform this workout accurately. All right, so we are going to start with the push-ups now, and I know that we have females and we have males around here. So for the males now, you understand that you don't do push-ups like this, right? You round your back this way and go down this way. And you should also understand that it is dangerous for your hand, for your elbows to be flared out like this. When you do push-ups, you don't do like this. Your elbow has to come inside for the safety of your shoulders. So your elbows should come this way and not like this. All right. Then for the ladies and for even the guys who cannot perform push-ups like this, you can just imagine me doing this now. I have assumed this position, right? Then just put your knee down and go this way with your knee down. Your knee is down, right? That will reduce so many pressure. Now for the planks, right? You all know planks as this. This is front planks. Very good, right? You make sure you are not like this. You make sure you are not like this. You make sure you are just in the middle. Your body is straight, right? Now we are going to be doing both front planks and side planks. Before we go to side planks, for the front planks, for those who can't really hold like this, just like the push-ups, you can bring your knee down a little and then hold. Partial planks now. For the side planks now, this is what side planks is. You are like this, your leg on the other leg, your elbows under your shoulders, then you raise your waist up and stay like this, right? However, I know there are still some people who cannot do this. For you to train your core now to be able to do this, you can just bend this leg, the leg below. You just bend it and stand on it like this. This is partial planks, right? So leg raises now. Let me show you leg raises now. Leg raises, we are going to be doing, this is not just pure leg raises now. I am going to call it advanced heel taps, basically, right? But it is still leg raises. Now you are like this. You hang your legs like this, right? Come to the side. You hang your legs like this. Now you are bringing your knee, your heel down and raising it up. You are bringing your heel down and raising it up. I want you to pay attention now because I am not bringing my heel down from my knee joint. I am not doing this. I am not doing this. My knee joint is static. The only joint moving is my hip joint, right? So from my hip joint, I'm bringing it down from my hip joint, raising it up. Then bringing it down from my hip joint, then raising it up. So it is just this place now that will be under pressure, right? So that is leg raises. Then for squats now, there are two categories of people in squats. There are those who can squat like this, and with a flat foot, and there are those who they need to elevate their heel, right? Meaning they need to probably put their heel on something like this. So if you try squatting like this and you see that no matter what you do, you are squatting with your heel up like this, you can't squat like this on a flat foot, then just find something to elevate your foot, to elevate your heel, right? Then another thing you need to know when squatting is that if you are going down, try not to go down with your knee like this. You go down as if you are sitting down, not with your knee, to avoid pressure, unnecessary pressure and injury to your knee, right? So you go down like you are sitting down. You go down and you go deep down, like you are sitting down, and you don't do this basically, right? So like I said, this video should give you perspective on the workouts that we are doing and how we are going to do them, because this is a 30 days challenge and it is not 30 days coaching challenge. Coaching is different. If you are interested in coaching, in consultation, whatever, you're going to contact us, right? Now, it's not going to be done every day. It's going to be done 4 times a week, because recovery, time for recovery, is also very, very beneficial. It's part of the workout, right? So we are going to do this Monday, Tuesdays, you rest on Wednesdays. Then we go Thursday, Friday, you rest Saturday and Sunday, right? Then we go again 4 times a week. If you are for 6 a.m., you are for 4 p.m., 8, whatever, the time should be your time, please. So it's going to be done as a video call. When it's time, we are going to connect you all in a video call, and I'm going to be watching you. I'm going to be seeing how you are doing. I'm going to be seeing if you are doing it, and I'm going to correct you if there's any need, right? And probably sometimes I will join you. I will join you too myself sometimes, right? So squats, leg raise, planks, push-ups, all should be done. We are going to be doing them all under 1 hour, 45 minutes to 60 minutes, right? So if you have any question, you just reach out and we're going to answer your question. Right? Thank you very much.